Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome in your craft class. Today we are going to learn duplex sheet flower. For duplex sheet flower, material required. I have yellow color sheet. You can use any color sheet. For flower, green for stamp, cotton, scissor, pen or pencil, thread, wooden stick. You have to cover with green tape, or you can use this flower making wire, Fevicol. Now let's start. Children will cut this type of petal at least 12 or 14. First we'll trace it with pen or pencil. We need this type of petals. Okay. Now what we will do, first we'll make one bird with cotton. We'll take cotton and one small piece of paper, yellow color, and keep this cotton inside and make one bird like this. And tie with thread. And cut this part. And attach this bird with this stick. Here is bird ready. Now what we have to do, arrange all the petals together. Okay, and cut it from here. Only this much part we'll cut. Now use Fevicol and paste it like this. Okay, all the petals. Children, all petals are ready. Now we will start arranging them. Only one petal is left because of this bird. We'll cover with bird. We'll apply Fevicol backside of petal and paste it here like this. Okay, like this, and twist this petal backward. with the help of pencil or any wire or with your finger. Do it like this. First petal is ready. Now we'll complete all these petals like this only. Use pen or your finger or pencil or wire. Curve all the petals back like this. I'll show you how to do. You have to do like this. Okay, we'll cover all the petals. Now we'll arrange all the petals. All petals are ready. We'll arrange like this with the help of thread. Tie all petals one by one with the thread. You can use 10 petal, 12 petal. Or any color duplex sheet you can use for this flower. Today I am going to make yellow rose. This is 10 petal flower. If you want bouncy flower, so you can use 15, 16 petals. And lock this thread like this. Okay. Now we are going to make stem. For stem, we'll use this type of string. And how we'll cut it? Fold it like this. And cut it like this. Remove this extra cutting. Open it and twist these strings. You can see this. Twist like this. Like this. Now wrap it on the flower. Apply some Fevicol on it. Okay, now wrap it here. Here is flower ready. Okay children, you'll try at home and make one video and send to me. Thank you. Have a